Olive oil is a type of oil that is made from olives, the fruit of the olive tree. It is a commonly used oil in cooking, particularly in Mediterranean cuisine. Here are 10 benefits of olive oil. 1. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fatty acids, which are known to be heart healthy. 2. May reduce the risk of stroke. Some studies have shown that consuming olive oil may help to reduce the risk of stroke. 3. May lower blood pressure. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil may help to lower blood pressure. 4. May improve cholesterol levels. Olive oil may help to lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. 5. May have anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil contains antioxidants that may help to reduce inflammation in the body. 6. May help with blood sugar control. Some research suggests that consuming olive oil may help to improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes. 7. May protect against certain cancers. Some studies have found that olive oil may have anti-cancer properties and may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer and colon cancer. 8. May improve bone health. Olive oil is a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health. 9. May improve cognitive function. Some research has found that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil may help to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 10. May improve skin health. Olive oil is often used as a natural moisturizer and may help to improve the appearance and health of the skin.